Good afternoon, teacher and classmates. My name is Lisette Montserrat Avalos Aguirre. I am 20 years old. I am studying the sixth semester of the Industrial Engineer at the 10 Millennium University in the Villahermosa campus. So I have to live alone in the municipality. So I am forgetting simply my original place to be is Huimanguillo. I am especially sure it's correct because the study plan they call me attention me, and also to correct is combined mathematics, uh, which is a subject always fascinating and it usually improved the basic process. To enter this university, I applied a scholarship given by Heineken. It had my attention 100%. Unfortunately, I make it to the make recommends I want a set. This led me want to work in the company and is one of my goals to the alternates. I use my friend time to play video games, shooting style my favorites, example Fortnite. I also watch soccer, especially in the Mexican League, for men or women mood. I have been fan of the Chivas since I was little girl. I also spend a lot of my time reading fantasy book. I want to highly recommend is the Seven Husband by Evelyn Hugo. Believe me, it's more than the lyric makes and sit. But see, I lyrics to the music always all time, so I don't have a favorite genres. However, my favorite artist is Taylor Swift and El Cuarteto de Nos. Since I work in a fancy going to a concert, one of the two. Thank you for attention.